Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo don approve make dem build 500-bed hostel for Abrusali University AAU Medical School for Ekpoma. The project go help solve the accommodation wahala for medical students and make their welfare better. The governor yarn this one for him campaign waka go Irekpe and Ekpoma for Esan West local government area ahead of the August 16 Edo Central senatorial by-election. He talk say work will start within the next few weeks. Governor Okpebholo come also remind the people say when him first become governor, he promised to increase AAU subvention reach 500 million and put new governing council, and say as him dey talk like this so, him don already fulfill both promises. Him come still talk say he go continue to deliver on wetin him promise and come ginger the people say make dem work to secure 2.5 million votes for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for 2027 presidential election.
That my coming here, the purpose is to come and thank you, not to come and campaign again. The reason is this: for the previous elections, you have been supporting me. Today, the crowd I have seen here, this is like a local government rally. That means the love is high. In this place, in these 3 wards, I know PDP or whatever party they call them, they will never get one vote. There is no dragging here. The man that was dragging before is here now. As I said, my coming here is to thank you and to remind you and to inform you my promise to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Our 2.5 million votes is sure and is guaranteed, is settled in our land. And now, the Saturday on, this is the man that is standing, that is going to take my seat at the Senate. If I can remind you vividly, you remember this road. We had a senator. He was a senator for 8 years. He was there for good 8 years, and we were crying about this road. Was he able to do it? There was a time that they were cooking there. There was a time they killed ram on that road just to draw attention of the senator that this is the problem we had. Draw further attention to this place. Was he able to draw further attention? Just 9 months I was there. Look at the road today. Is there not a testimony? That is why we are saying, follow the party that no road. Follow the president that no road. Follow the governor that no road. Follow the House of Assembly member that no road. The House of Rep member that no road. That is why our son, the House of Rep member, that was in PDP, said, no, I can't stay here anymore. By the grace of God, as we sleep, we will all wake up. When we sleep again, we will all wake up. Saturday, all of us will wake up. And we wake up to vote for. Let me tell you once, so this is the man that says he does not talk. I'm happy that he doesn't talk. Why am I happy? Because they said I don't talk. I was keeping my energy to work for some people. He will start from where I stop. You remembered that we had a senator of the PDP for 8 years. Did you remember that? I remember that people were protesting on this road. They called the senator. They were begging the senator, just come and talk to us. And eventually he came. He said, we will do it, we will do it. And people were happy. Did they do it? I always spent 9 months at the Senate. What he could not do for 8 years, I did it. Is that not so? Are you not seeing the road to Benin now? So now, they want to deceive us again. They think they can deceive us. They said the man that is taking over from me does not talk. Was Okpebholo talking? You don't know say Okpebholo does not talk? Is Okpebholo not performing? So he also, Joe, will perform because he doesn't talk. The energy that is supposed to use to talk, he will use the energy to work for our people. Is that not so?
Trusted and trusted.
You know, my coming here today, I didn't want to say anything but to say thank you to East and West.
We will do it again. We did it before.
Now, the deputy state chairman has just told you something. The medical school, we have agreed that Edo State government will build 500 hostels. That means we are building 500 bed space for this school. In the next few weeks to start, we start from there. You remembered the first thing I announced as I became governor of Edo State, I said we are increasing the subvention of this school to 500 million. Is it not there now? Have we now appointed governing council for this school? We have promised our president 2.5 million votes. Are we not going to actualize it? 2027, is it not settled here? This is a message you take home. When you go, APC, 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 APC. By 2-3 o'clock, Joe Ikpeya has won. So this is how we are going to stand. After that, we'll come and do boogie dance. Thank you very much. God bless you.
The APC candidate for the Edo Central Senatorial by-election, Honorable Joseph Ikpeya, come also ginger the people to come out plenty and put hand for him back by voting APC come Saturday, August 16th.
You can see your hand everywhere. God will bless you, Your Excellency. I want to plead to all of you. I don't have much to say. I want to tell you, I'm here to work to support the governor. To continue from where he stopped. For just 9 months in office, we saw what he did when he was a senator. There are a lot of roads that have not been completed before. I will do that. Where you stop, I will continue. The youth, you need empowerment. You need handwork. You will get it by the grace of God. The women, you need to be empowered. Your market needs to grow. I will support you by the grace of God. I want to let you know that this university, the students here, they know what the government has done for them. Some of them were there for more than 8 years. Some of the courses were not accredited. When they came to office, those courses were accredited. I must let you know that the students here are 100% sure that the students and both the academic and the non-academic staff, they are going to support our course because the government is working. From 41 million to 500 million subvention, we know what that one is. I'm 100% sure that ECOMAN is 100% for all of us. God will bless you all and God bless you so much. Thank you.
Some APC leaders wey show for the rally na Edo Central Senatorial Leader General Cecil Isekaigbe, retired, and Chief of Staff to the Governor Honorable Gani Audu, among plenty others. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosimo, TMC News.